Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are welcome to your favorite channel, Al Arqam Institute, your channel where you can learn anything that has to do with Arabic and Quran with Islamic knowledge. Tonight, we are going to be talking about how to tell time in Arabic, clock, how to say it in Arabic. And that is the topic for tonight. Don't forget, stay tuned till the end of this video and you will start practicing how to say time. When somebody asks you how goes the day or what says the time, you can say this or you can start saying it in Arabic. Tonight, as-sa'atu. As-sa'atu can literally means many. It has many meaning. Look at when I say as-sa'atu, it can be clock, it can be watch, just like wrist watch. It can be hour, it can be time. As-sa'a. Look at, for example, when Allah says in one of the chapters of the Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Allah says, اقتربت الساعة اقتربت الساعة وانشق القمر. Look at, as-sa'a means here hour. So as-sa'atu can mean clock, watch, hour, and time. And that is the topic for tonight: how to say time, how to say your clock in Arabic. Look at, for you to even ask, how do you ask what is the time in Arabic? You will say Kami sa'atul an. What is the time now? Or you say how goes the day in English. You can make any, you can say it in any expression that you want, but in Arabic you say Kami sa'atul an. What is the time now? Which means Kami sa'atul an, what says the time, or what is the time now. I want us to know this before we continue. In English we have when it is AM or 2M. That is, when it is AM, it will be in the morning, like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and the likes. Also in Arabic we have four types. Instead of English that we have AM and PM, in English we have it in four different types. If it is AM in Arabic, we say Sabahan. That is, I can say As-sa'atul wahida Sabahan. That is AM. If it is evening in Arabic, I will say, PM in Arabic, I will say Masahan. That is PM. But in Arabic, when it is afternoon, there is how we express that, as matter related to saying the time in Arabic. When it is afternoon, we say zuhuran. Zuhuran, that is afternoon. But when it is night, we say laylan. Laylan. So it can be a sa'atul wahida laylan, that is 1 o'clock in the night. Or if it is a sa'atul thaniya zuhuran, that is 12 noon. 2 by afternoon. That is when it is when it is 12 noon. That is when you refer to as zuhuran. So that is one of the knowledge we have to know as far as saying the time is concerned. Now let's start with, we want to talk about 1 o'clock AM in Arabic. We say as-sa'atu al-wahidatu sabahan. Look at as-sa'atu al-wahidatu sabahan. That is, it is 1 o'clock in the morning. The sabahan means AM. That is AM. If it is 2 o'clock, this is 2 o'clock, and it will be as-sa'atu athaniyatu sabahan. That is, it is 2 o'clock in the morning, which is 2 a.m. And when it is when it is okay, no, when it is okay, let's say, look at when it is 3 a.m. in the morning, it will be as-sa'atu athalithatu sabahan. Look at when it is 3 o'clock, it will be as-sa'atu athalithatu sabahan. That is, it is here, it will be it is 3 o'clock in the morning. Now, what about if it is 4 o'clock, 4 a.m., 4 a.m. for instance? So it will be as-sa'atu as-sa'atu rabi'atu sabahan. Now, this is 4 a.m. in the morning, and it will be as-sa'atu rabi'atu sabahan. That is, it is 4 o'clock in the morning. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. Likewise, if it is 5 o'clock as well, look at, we want to say 5 o'clock in Arabic, that is 5 a.m. 5 a.m. it will now be as-sa'atu as-sa'atu al-khamisatu sabahan. So if it is 5 a.m., for instance, it will be as-sa'atu al-khamisatu sabahan. That is, it is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. Look at how it is very easy and how it is simple to say Arabic, to say clock in Arabic. This is not the end. We are just starting, and this is the first video on how to say your clock in Arabic. If you have watched this video till this moment, never forget to subscribe, to share our video, and also to make your comment. We are going to continue on how to say the time in Arabic in our next video. Thanks for watching, and jazakumullahu khair.